Plainsman, and congratulations on your induction into the California Junior Scholarship Federation. You've been working hard, and your success is a result of that hard work. You've been finding ways to be successful in spite of what the world is throwing at you, and we're all really, really proud of you. Your teachers appreciate everything you're doing in class and all that hard work. Your parents love you, and they're also very, very proud of you. And me, I love the fact that I get to be here with you at our school every day, walking alongside you and your families as you get through this point in your academic careers. But understand, this is kind of just the start, right? You need to keep working hard because you have years and years ahead of you where you will find ways to face challenges and keep doing what you're doing now because we all love you and we're super proud of you. Take care, Plainsman.
Hi, my name is Ms. Jackson, and I am honored to be this year's faculty advisor. As once a member myself, I understand the time commitment and dedication it takes to reach this honor, and you all should be very proud of your accomplishments. The Honor Society is a very important part of junior high school. Membership in the CJHS has become recognized nationally as one of the highest honors that can be bestowed upon a junior high school student. Membership also signifies academic excellence and service not only during the high school years, but it indicates a promise for the future. However, being part of this organization is more than just an honor. It carries responsibilities that should be considered the beginning of an obligation to continue excellence. Once selected for membership, a student should not only continue to demonstrate those outstanding qualities that brought them to their selection, but he or she should also exert a new influence to improve surrounding conditions at schools and in the community, and promote these qualities for which the Honor Society stands. These qualities are character, scholarship, leadership, dependability, service, and creativity. Students, will you please join me in our pledge?
I pledge myself to uphold the high purposes of this society to which I have been elected, striving in every way by word and by deed to make its ideals the ideals of my school and my life. Congratulations, students. Please join me in celebrating our new inductees.
Congratulations, students. Please come to room 606 for your membership card and bumper sticker. Have a good evening, Plainsmen.